I've been missing your strawberry kiss. Just nothing.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I am Cassie. If you are new, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and don't forget your post notification bell button so you don't miss a beat whenever I drop a new video. So in today's video, as you can see by the thumbnail, first we'll be starting with our I don't even know how to Philadelphia cream cheese, and any bowl that you would like to use. We will be making some stuffed spinach, chicken thigh, or is it salmon? I believe it's salmon, my bad. It's been a minute since I have recorded, so I'm trying to remember, but I believe it's salmon. And trust me guys, this will be delicious. I use one whole cream cheese, but I would recommend you guys to use one. I had used two, but I recommend to use one. Next, I'm gonna be adding some cheddar cheese. You can mix whether it's just plain old yellow cheddar cheese or the mixed cheddar cheese or pepper jack cheese. And also I'm gonna be adding some broccoli, but you add according to what you like. Now it's time to mix. Now I recommend you guys basically using your hand or whatever, because it was tough to mix this. Also with if you're using spinach or broccoli, make sure your spinach is breaking up. I wish I had broken up the broccoli way ahead of time. And as you can tell, my broccoli is frozen. So if you gotta cook it, make sure you cook your broccoli not too much to the point where it's fully cooked, but to the point where it's translucent. So just like I said, I didn't know whether it was salmon or chicken, but it's chicken thighs, and I'm going to be showing you guys how far deep in I cut it. I split it in the middle, and how wide I did it, because you don't want it too far deep in and you don't want it too far deep out, just enough to stuff it, and so the stuffing will stay and put inside the chicken. This is that I'm using is paprika. I just forgot to show you guys. And this right here is cayenne pepper. So now I'm getting ready to stuff the chicken thighs with what we had mixed earlier with. And basically I'm just gonna stuff all three of them. You stuff them according to how you want them to be stuffed, but I stuffed mine pretty much a whole bunch of stuffing. So in a nice skillet pan that won't burn the bottom of the chicken, I basically got a nice amount of butter in there, and basically we just gonna be kind of just frying them a little bit, not too much, on the stove, and then we're gonna go ahead and pop them right into the oven so they can finish off cooking. So as you can see, I tied my chicken thighs up just so the stuffing won't fall off. You don't have to do this. This is optional, but I choose to do this just so the stuffing won't fall out, because trust me, by them being in there, they definitely will just fall out. You let the chicken cook on each side for about 7 minutes, but recommend I let you let them cook till they have that nice brown golden color. Sorry for the noise in the background, but now that they are done cooking, I'm gonna put them in this little oven that I have for 10 minutes to finish off cooking. So there you have it. Here go our stuffed chicken thighs. I hope you guys enjoy watching me make this video for you guys, because I enjoy it very much. This is just an optional side that I did for myself. That's the reason why I didn't show you guys. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell button so you don't miss a beat whenever I drop a new video. Later. Peace.